Estimated cleaning times. Powder room, half bath, will generally take you around 7 to 10 minutes. Standard full bath will be around 15 to 22 minutes. Large master bath will be allowed 25 to 30 minutes. Extra large master bath will be roughly 30 to 45 minutes. Important tips to remember. Make sure that all items you remove from the bathroom surfaces are neatly returned to their original areas. Always double check there's no dirt or products on the bottoms of your shoes when exiting a shower. If you use barkeepers, be sure to rinse thoroughly. Barkeeper's residue that is left behind smells like fish when it gets wet again later, which often leads to clients thinking their bathroom is dirtier than it originally was. When cleaning a larger master bathtub, you'll need to carefully step inside the tub and clean the areas around the tub while standing inside of it. When you have removal of all the dirt, soap, and other buildup, use your plastic cup to rinse the sides of the tub. Getting started. The first step any room, but especially the bathroom, is removing any trash or rugs. Replacing the cam liner and shaking any rug or bathroom mats when setting both outside the bathroom door to return after vacuuming the floors. You will then set your caddy in front of the sink and load your apron with your tools, including your toothbrush, magic eraser, scrapers, and an extra microfiber cloth if needed. This allows for a quick access to all the necessary supplies that are needed for the bathroom. Also, you will always start with the hardest to clean item first, so you can build up momentum to carry you through the rest of the bathroom. For example, in a larger master bathroom, this usually means you will do the shower first, then the bathtub, followed by the toilet area and vanity. Don't forget to dust light fixtures, fans, vents, and shelves first before anything else. Remember your rule of cleaning and always work top to bottom, left to right. Wipe down all baseboards every time. The steam makes the hair and dust stick to them. Make sure to also get behind the doors each time for the same reason. Wipe all light switch plates and any extra towel racks and wall decorations, and remember to make sure that all towels are folded nicely. If there are any unfolded shower towels left, now is a good time to fold them neatly and put them back where they belong on the towel rack. Before you go, always make sure showers, tubs, and sinks are completely dry and debris-free afterwards. It never hurts to double check. Never use a mop head that is too wet. Usually a damp mop is sufficient. For the final look, replace trash cans and rugs and turn off the light. So that's it for bathrooms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.